about 5 o'clock, we woke up, the dogs woke us up, and there was already just under a metre of water in the house, brown water. The fridge freezer fell over and trapped us in. The husband's medication was downstairs. The firemen had to come in and help us to pass up medication, but we couldn't get out. And it continued to rise. It rose to good 4.5 feet, nearly 5 foot. We've literally lost everything. We didn't have contents insurance through no fault of our own, and everything's gone. I've got 2 puppies here who are extremely sick because obviously they've been licking the paws and everything. We're just all at a loss. We're devastated. St Helens people, the St Helens community has been absolutely unbelievable with the support and passing on our questions. Why does this continue to happen? Why are we being left to fend for ourselves and everything else? We've been promised stuff and everything, but so far nothing's being done. It's hard to get into the lecky going on or anything, so we're just trying to all club together and work as a team.